Hi, this is Terence Tan from Radical Marketing. Today, I'd like to introduce you to a very special metric that I love to use for all my ads. And this metric can actually be the key to transform your ads from an ordinary ad to a really engaging and result-getting ad. Now, most people, when they look at the KPIs for their Facebook ads or any ads for that matter, they look at the return on investment, they look at the cost per result. But one thing many people neglect to look at is this metric. And that metric is the clicks all metric in Facebook. So what is this clicks all metric? So this is the number of people that look at your ad versus the number of people that actually click on your ad. So for instance, if you have 1,000 people looking at your ad and you have a click all of 100, it means around 10% of the people that looked at your ad actually clicked on your ad. Whether they clicked onto your ad to go to the landing page, or whether they clicked on your See More button, or whether they clicked on your video. The click all metric is important because it measures how much your ad is able to get people's attention. Because that is the first key. If you don't get attention in the first place, they're not going to read your ad, they're not going to watch your video, and they're not going to sign up for whatever you have to offer them. So that is very important. So what is a good percentage? A good percentage would be at least 2% or more. Ideally, you would like to see them around the 7, 8, even 10% range, which means your ad is very relevant to your audience. So how do you improve your click-through all? There are a few things you can do. First of all, you can have a more attention-grabbing headline. You can have in the beginning text a more attention-grabbing 3 first lines of text. Okay, so if you have an attention-grabbing, benefit-oriented headline in your text section, chances are more people are not going to click on the See More button. And the other thing is your video. The thumbnail you use for your video or the headline you have on your video, that's also important to determine whether people click on your video or on your link. And the other thing obviously is the image. If you have a high quality image that is unique and resonates with your audience, then people are more likely to click on it. And finally, the other thing to take into account is the audience you're showing it to. Obviously, the more relevant your ad, your headline, your image, your creative is to your audience, the more likely they are going to click on it. So this click all metric is not the be all and end all, but it gives you a very important insight as to what headlines work, what benefits work, what are the hot buttons that get the attention of your target audience. So next time when you're running Facebook ads, make sure you check this click all metric to see whether you are truly engaging your audience, and make some tweaks and see whether that you can improve the percentage of people that actually click on your ad. So good luck with it. Hope this was a helpful tip.